Okay, we're going to work on page 41, which is a study guide, practice work, classwork for the quiz. Now, we're going to work on number 1. This is a triangular prism. And this is one of the hardest type of problems to do because the triangular base is a scalene triangle. And in this case, it's a scalene right triangle. And the right angle is in between the 6 inches and the 8 inches. So now, when you have a scalene right triangle, and the last side is 10, to find the area of a right triangle, area equals 1/2 the base times the height, or base times height divided by 2. When you have a right triangle, it tells you that 8 is either the base or the height, and 6 is the base or the height. You go to the 2 sides that are adjacent next to the right angle. So this would be area equals 8 times 6 divided by 2, which is 48 divided by 2, which is 24. So the area of our base is 24, and the area of the top is 24. So the 2 triangles, which we have to add into the surface area, have an area, combined area of 48 inches squared. Because the base is 24, the top is 24, together it's 48. Now, in addition to the area of the 2 triangular bases, we have 3 rectangles. Now, I'm going to try to color code the 3 rectangles for you. So that is sort of pinkish. Okay, that rectangle. So the pink rectangle is 4 inches by 6 inches. Then we have one here that's green, and this rectangle is 4 inches by 10 inches. And then lastly, we have a blue. Now the blue is gonna overlap, so this is the blue one, and the blue is 4 by 8. Okay, so in addition to our 1, 2 triangular bases, we have 3 rectangular faces. So, to the 48, I have to add the area of a 4 by 6 rectangle, which is 24, a 4 by 10 rectangle, which is 40, and a 4 by 8 rectangle, which is 32. So to the 48, I add 24, 40, and 32. So together, this is 14, carry the 1, 5, 7, 11, 144 inches squared. Okay, so this gets confusing to see, but you had 2 triangular bases. Then here, before we had the blue, this showed the 4 by 6 rectangle. This showed the 4 by 10 rectangle. And then, if we get rid of that, this top part was the 4 by 8 rectangle. So I have now added all faces. The pink 4x6, the green 4x10, and the blue 4x8. And that gets added to the surface area of the two triangles, which is your bottom base and top base. And that's problem number 41. Now, also on the same page, we're going to go over number 3, which is a square pyramid. Now this is a square pyramid because the base is a square and the base is 7 by 7, so the area of the base is 49 inches squared. In addition to the square base, we have 4 triangular faces. Now, the 4 triangles all have a base of 7 and a height of 8.7. So, to get the area of the triangular faces, area equals base times height divided by 2. So we have to do 8.7 times 7, which is 60.9, divided by 2, and it's 30.45. So each triangle has an area of 30.45, but we have 4 triangles. So I'm going to do 30.45 times 4. And I get 121.8, and I have to add that to my 49. So 49 plus 121.8, and we get 170.8 inches squared. So again, what we did was we found the area of the square base, and then we found the area of the 4 triangular faces. So we added them all together, and this is the total surface area.